I was always interested in plants since my childhood. I used to love gardening. And talking about animals, I was like a little bit scared of, pets and animals. But I took biology during my like my schooling. And then when I was going for my undergrad, I knew that I would love to study plants. And yeah, with time I did my master's in plants and then PhD, and right now I'm doing my postdoc. I work on post-translational modifications. There are like many modifications, many PTMs in plants. I work on SUMOylation, and it is like really important because addition of one like modifier sumo can like change the fate of the protein. It can change the interactors, how the protein behave, and also like it plays so many roles in development and stress responses, which is like really interesting. And if you see the literature, you would know that SUMOylation is one of the upcoming most important PTM. So I love spending time in the lab. So there's no foundation. Like I like this field because it can be flexible. But normally I would like wake up, have breakfast, and I leave for lab. And I'm in the lab at about 8:30 in the morning. And then like I have like coffees and lunch. I do my experiments, and I can stay longer if I need to stay for my experiments. But nobody's like forcing me to stay. Like it's me who love to spend time in the lab. I do a lot of cloning and then microscopy, especially confocal microscopy. I do a little lot of protein work, like Anne showed. I do a lot of infiltration, protein purification, and then Western blots, co-IPs, and also mass spectrometry, which is like really good. Like I think we do have some like undergrads and master students, and they like enjoy all these experiments. So I applied for a lot of postdoc positions unrelated to my topic of PhD, and it was not working for me. So what I feel like in this generation, like it works only if you have like any expertise in any technique that the employer is looking for, or like if it's like similar topic. Otherwise, it's difficult to get like a postdoc position. So then I focused only on like related topics related to my PhD work, and then I got this position. I think now the time is changing. Like before, I know like generally in plant science we raise a lot of transgenics, but we don't release it to the society. It's like only you publish papers and solve problems, but in reality the solution never goes to the society, like maybe the farmers or but I think it's now changing because we have like GM, cotton, mustard, which is like accepted by the society. Obviously, if anything can like solve like biotic problems or abiotic stress problems, then we should definitely accept it. So acceptance is the problem, like how the government and society accepts the transgenic plants.